This tutorial will cover the submission process to support the Prescription Drug Price Transparency Act, specifically for the 340B reporting program. Covered entities that participate in the federal 340B drug pricing program will be required to annually report data related to their 340B prescription drug purchases and payments to the Minnesota Department of Health. Covered entities and third-party administrators can submit 340B data in the portal. Before we review the portal, let's review the primary functions for reporting. Reporting entities can utilize templates to submit data. The portal will allow users to download a template, add data, and upload the data to the portal. If preferred, users can also manually key data directly in the portal. Once submitted, data can be certified. For covered entities that are hospitals, NDC data must also be submitted for the 50 most frequently dispensed drugs/NDCs under the 340B program. Now let's move to the portal to review the detailed steps for 340B reporting. This is the home page of the portal. Click the Login button to access your account. In the next screen, enter your username and password and click the Sign In button. From the home page, click 340B Reporting from the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner of the page. There are 3 tabs available. Outstanding Reports, where you will find outstanding reports that need to be submitted for each report year. Completed Reports, for reports that have been submitted and certified, and Reporting Exceptions, for reports where an exemption or extension has been requested. As the first step in reporting data to MDH, reporting entities should view the Outstanding Reports tab. Users can edit a report or create a new report by clicking the Create button on the far left column titled Action. Let's start by creating a new report. Start by clicking on the Covered Entity Data tab. Manually key in all data ensuring required fields are populated. Next, click the Save button. On the Payer Type Data tab, manually enter all data ensuring required fields are populated. If there is no data to report for a payer type, click the checkbox in the far left column, then click the Report 0 button. Next, click the Save button. If you are not a hospital entity payer type, you can finalize the report by clicking the Certify Report button. Click the Certify Report button to confirm. For hospital entities, hospital NDC data should be reported. Users can download a template to enter report data in Excel by clicking on the Download Template button. An Excel template will be available in your Downloads folder. Access the template to populate data. There are 3 tabs available. The Cover tab with overview information. A Data tab with placeholders for each data element. The file also includes a Help tab with each data element, including format, size, description, and an example. When completing your template, it is important that the column headings are not modified. Populate the template with your data. Once complete, the spreadsheet is ready to upload. To process the completed file, click the Upload Data button, locate the file in the directory, then click the Open button. If there is no data to report for a NDC, click the checkbox in the far left column, then click the Report 0 button. To delete a NDC, click the checkbox and click the Delete NDC button. Next, click the Save button. Similar to hospital NDC data, upload or manually enter data. Next, click the Save button. Click on the Documents tab to attach documents. To finalize the report, click the Certify Report button. Click the Certify Report button to confirm. Should your organization need an exemption from filing or additional time to complete your report submission, click on the Request Exemption button, then click Request Exemption or Request Extension. For exemption, enter explanation for hardship or undue burden, then click Submit Request button. For extension requests, enter requested extension date and then explanation for hardship or undue burden. Exception requests will be reviewed by MDH and notification of the decision will be received via the portal. This concludes the 340B report training. For additional information on the 340B program, access the help link in the upper right-hand corner of the portal or email health.rx@state.mn.us.